How to destroy your child or children. Confidence in 4 steps. 1. Criticize them in public. Give them advice or correction. But make sure to do it in front of other people. Publicly pointing out their mistakes ensures they feel humiliated and embarrassed. 1. Yell at them constantly. Raise your voice over their head or shout directly at them whenever something goes wrong. This will make them feel small. Powerless, and unworthy of respect. 3. Label them as worthless. Always remind them, through your words or actions, that they are useless and incapable. Focus on their flaws and ignore their achievements. Over time, they'll start believing they have no value. 4. Respond with anger to every mistake. Whenever they make a mistake, instead of guiding them, lash out with anger. Make them associate failure with fear and shame, leaving no room for growth or learning.